Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. Those candidates who are new in this session and those who have not taken any batch, so class, it's a monsoon and festive sale. 80% discount is going on every product of JIB and CIB. So only you have to use the code Y391S if you want to purchase any batch of JIB. And you know that in the JIB, the question series batch is going to be start from 3 of October. So if you want to take this batch, we know that it's a bilingual, but whatever question that we will highlight in this 3 October batch, so that questions are very much important. So if you want to take admission in this batch, so only you have to use the code that is Y391 for the maximum discount up to 80%. And today there is also the discount on the test series. Suppose if you have taken the paid batch, okay, if you have taken the paid batch and if you want to take this test series in which this JIB Prime test back 50 plus total test of PPB, AFB and LRB is there. So today if you use the code Y391S, then you can easily get 22% discount. And if you want 1% more discount, so what you have to do, in the mobile you have to download the Adda app, and if the mobile, if you purchase the course now, then there will be more discount in this session. Okay, so that's why this session is very much important. Please avail this discount because the test series batch, you can see that this is the test series batch. In this test series batch, 3000 plus MCQ, 1000 MCQ for AFB, 1000 for PPB and 1000 for your LRB subject, plus previous year questions also we will cover. 600 plus case study questions will be there and the detailed video batch will be there in this session. So if you want to join, you have to use the code simply, that is Y391 for the maximum discount in this batch. 81% discount is going on. Okay, so now let's start with the session. And this is also JIB CAIIB ka Mahapack, JIB ka Mahapack. If you purchase this Mahapack, so it will cover everything. No need to purchase separate thing. That JIB ka Mahapack is sufficient to crack any exam. Okay. So now let's start with the question and answer series. Yesterday we have not done the session, so today we are going to start the question series of Consumer Protection Act and CERSAI Act. We have already done in the Consumer Protection Act. In the Consumer Protection Act, basically district forum, state forum, national forum, its jurisdiction is very important. Okay, and in CERSAI Act, the key point that under which act CERSAI has been made, what is the particular role of CERSAI while registering the security that is deposited by the borrower. So these things are important in these two acts. Okay, so now let's start with the question and answer series. Number one question. It's a very simple and to the point answer you have to give. A very good evening to all of you. What do you mean? What is the full form of CERSAI? I have already told you SERFACI and CERSAI, both full form can also come in your exam. So what is the full form of CERSAI? Whether it is Combined Registry of Securitization, Asset Reconstruction and Security Interest. Second is Combined Registry of Securitization, Agency Reconstruction and Security Interest. Whether it is Central Registry of Securitization, Asset Reconstruction and Security Interest, and whether it is Central Registry of Securitization, Agency Reconstruction and Security Interest. Which of the following is the right one? Yes, class. It's a very simple one. What is the full form of this one? First of all, I don't think that there is a word called agency in this one. So I think D is not the right answer. Now you have to tell me in the C and D one, which of the following is the right answer? Yes. And if you are new in this session class, so please attend all the YT session. We have already in the playlist. So go to the playlist and you can see the classes from class 1 to till now. And LRB, if I talk about the LRB, so 7:30 p.m. I generally take the bilingual language of LRB and 9 p.m. I generally take the English medium. So that's why both sessions are very important. Just try to collect the questions. Okay, so for the first one class, the exact answer is It's a central registry of securitization, asset reconstruction, and security interest. It is not combined. It's a central registry. You know now what is the basic work of this one? The basic work is simply, suppose he is the borrower. If borrower is taking any money from the bank as a loan, so borrower have to deposit the property. So now it's a work, it's a duty of the bank that they have to be registered this security under the CERSAI Act. Okay, so this is important. Next one. CERSAI has been set up under which act? SURFACI Act, CGT MSC Act, Transfer of Property Registration Act, and CERSAI Act. Yes. Those candidates who are new in this session, first of all, subscribe our channel. Once you subscribe the channel, then the things will be automatically come in your mobile. So what is the exact answer of second one? CERSAI has been set up under which of the following act? So CERSAI has been set up under the SURFACI Act. This is the right answer. Okay, this is the right answer. Next. Consumer Protection Act is significant to what? Whether it is immovable property, movable property, particular goods and services, or all goods and services. Which of the following is the right one? Which of the following is the right one? Consumer Protection Act is significant for what? We have read the definition of the term consumer. You know, in each act, at least just try to understand the basic meaning of that particular act. Okay, suppose in the Consumer Protection Act, we have read the definition of consumer. We have read the unfair trade practices. So this is the important one. So here for the Consumer Protection Act, it is significant for all the goods and services. So for the third one, D is the right answer. Okay, that's good. Next one. A complaint relating to which among the following can forward it either in writing or in electronic mode to any one of the authorities, namely the district collector or the commissioner of regional office or the central authority. Whether it is violation of consumer right, unfair trade practices, false or misleading the advertisement, and all of these. Fourth one. A complaint relating to which among the following can forward it either in writing or in electronic mode or to any one of the authority, namely the district collector or commissioner of regional office and the central authority. For the fourth one, the exact answer is D is the right answer because everything it can be covered under the complaint. Okay, good. Next. The provision of which of the following will apply relating to the search and seizure under the Consumer Protection Act? The act is there. So you have to tell me that under which act this search and seizure of the property is there. Which act will apply under Consumer Protection Act? Whether it is Code of Criminal Procedure, IPC, Consumer Protection Act, or none of the above. What is CRPC? Its short form is CRPC. It is known as IPC. So just try to understand the both act, then you can easily give the answer. CRPC, that is basically a procedural act. Suppose if a one person do the theft. For theft, as we know that the punishment is 3 years. Okay. So what is the procedure we have to follow so that the thief can get the 3 years? So we have to follow the procedure of CRPC. Just like your, if you want to make a paneer butter masala, yeah, it's a paneer butter masala if you want to make. So we have to require paneer, it's a butter, but obvious the masala, then first of all we fry the paneer. So these are the steps that we have to follow. So same thing, CRPC is the law book in which we have to follow the particular steps. And what is IPC? IPC is basically, it is an act or law book, you can say, in which the offense name is there and its punishment is there. and its punishment is there. So this is all about your IPC. Okay, so you have to tell me in which way the search and seizure, whether it is a part of offense and whether it is a part of procedure. Yeah, now you can easily give the answer. Provision of which of the following will apply relating to the search and seizure under the Consumer Protection Act? For this thing, the exact answer is, but obvious, the Code of Criminal Procedure. The search and seizure is the part of it. So fifth one, A is the right answer. Okay, next. The District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission is established by. While answering, please check the options. Whether it is state government, central government, district collector, and national commission. Tell me. Tell me, in class today, 81% discount is going on. So kindly purchase the 3000 MCQ batch, which is very important. Use the code Y391. And the test series is also there. Test series, you have to use the code Y391S. Okay. Sixth one. Some people will say district collector, some will say national commission, but for the sixth one, the exact answer is, you can see it's a state government, because under state government, the districts are there. So the state government is the authority which will hold this one. So sixth one, A is the right answer. Okay. See class, in the Consumer Protection Act now, basically what you have to do, you have to learn about the jurisdiction, the important key points. Jurisdiction, whether it is territorial and pecuniary jurisdiction. What is territorial? That under which place we have to file the case, that is this one. And pecuniary, what is the limit? That is jurisdiction. Second one, you have to learn about the appeal days of district commission to state commission to the national commission. It is 30 and 45 days. Please see this. Okay, this is the actual, the 30 and 45 days. Okay, cool. Next. District commission shall have jurisdiction to entertain complaint where the value of the good and services as concession does not exceed. So if we are doing the 2019 Act, so you have to tell me the pecuniary jurisdiction under 2019. The maximum, I think, of district commission, maximum, seventh one. This thing you have to learn, okay? This thing you have to learn. 2 crore and it is about 2 crore. Okay, at least you have to learn 2019 pecuniary jurisdiction and 2021 pecuniary jurisdiction. Okay, both are important. So in this question, that is asking about the district commission of the highest. So highest is up to district shall not exceed the 1 crore. So for the seventh one, C is the right answer. Okay, you have to read or you have to learn these concepts. That is the important one. Next. So again class, 80% discount is there. Okay, today you have to use the code, that is Y391. Okay, and for the test series, 22% discount, you have to use the code Y391S. Okay, now eighth one. What is the maximum penalty that can imposed by the central authority in the first instance if it is opinion that it is necessary to impose a penalty in respect of such false and misleading advertisement by a manufacturer or endorser, whether it is 5 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 lakh or 10 lakh. We have discussed, so please don't give me the wrong answer. Eighth one. maximum penalty. In this question, the penalty is asking that can be imposed by a central authority in the first instant. It means once the wrong is done, what is the punishment? 8-1. For the 8-1, the exact answer is penalty. It is up to 10 lakh is the right answer. Okay, you have to learn this term. You have to learn this term, that is 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh is the this one amount. Next, what is the maximum penalty that can be imposed by the central authority for every subsequent contravention? What is subsequent? 8th question is a single mistake, and this is the mistake by mistake. So what is the penalty in respect of such false and misleading advertisement by the manufacturer and endorser, whether it is 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 50 lakh and 1 crore? Subsequent means again you are doing the wrong thing. What is the exact answer for 9th one? So the exact answer for the 9th one is the maximum penalty is 9th one. 50 lakh is the right answer. Okay, 50 lakh is the exact answer. Next, statement 1. Akansha wants a packet of juice and she wants the food mark juice. It means the authenticate one she wants. Consumer Protection Act provides required information related to the required information. Two times I think that is written. Consumer provide the required information that is related to the right and remedies available to consumer. So whether first statement is right, second is right, both statement is true and both statements are wrong. Which of the following is the right? Akansha want a packet of juice, she want to make mark food. Okay, this is I think right. Second, Consumer Protection Act provide required information related to the right and remedies available to consumer. Exactly, that is also right. Right now, so both the statements are right. So I think C is the right answer. Okay, C is the exactly the right answer. Okay, now which of the following cannot file a complaint under a Consumer Protection Act? Which of the following cannot file a complaint? Any consumer under the definition of this, central or state government, legal heir of deceased, and the person who obtained goods with no consideration. No consideration. What is consideration? Consideration means something for something. So if I purchase the goods in which I have not given any money, that is a D point. Now tell me the exact answer. Tell me the exact answer. Cannot file a complaint. So here, in which there is a no consideration, so how could you say that we can file the case? No. If there is a no consideration, we cannot file the case. So that's why these all personalities can file the case, but D is not the right answer. Okay, this is the right one. Okay, that's cool. Atishay, it's a 2 marks question. Okay, it's a 2 marks question. Atishay buy a mobile phone on rupees 40,000. Oh my god, 40,000. 1 week later, while Atishay uses mobile, it explodes, blast, and causes the severe burns to Atishay. On Atishay complaint to Rupesh for replacement, Rupesh refuses to replace. So name the right which is being violated by Rupesh. Whether it is right to safety, right to seek redressal, right to be heard, or right to consumer education. Which of the following is the right one? It's very important. Safety means precaution, right to safety. Seek redressal, that justice. Remedy, right to be heard, right to consumer education. What is the right that is being violated? Violated by Rupesh. I am not asking that what will be the justice. What is a right which is violated by Rupesh? You are giving a mobile to a person and that mobile explodes. The exact answer for this one is 12th one is you are absolutely. Give me the answer. For the 12th one, it's the right to safety has been violated by the Rupesh, because whatever the shopkeeper is giving, it is a shopkeeper duty. Caveat, vendor, seller have to be aware that the mobile, it should be comes within the warranty, and whatever the mobile the shopkeeper is giving, it should be the good one. So that's why right to safety is violated by the Rupesh. So this is the right answer. So hope so you people enjoy this session. Okay, this sessions and the questions are also very much important. So which of the following activity lie within the scope of consumer protection? Education consumer their rights and responsibility, helping consumer in getting their grievances redressed, and protecting the interest of consumer, or all of the above. This question can become in the half marks and the previous one is 2 marks. So in the question series, we will bring you more questions of 2 marks. That is important. So for this 113, the exact answer will be all of the above is the right answer. 13.1, D is the right answer. Okay. Now, one question from the Company Act. Man may come, man may go, but company exists. So this explains which characteristic of company as per Company Act. Separate legal entity, perpetual succession, capacity to sue, or none of the above. 14.1. Which of the following is the right one? Which of the following is the right one? Man may come, man may go, but the company exists. So here the right answer is it's a perpetual succession. B is the right answer. Okay. So that's all for today's class. So this is the batch. 81% discount is going on class. So if you want to join, you can please join the session. 80% discount. That is for the batch. And for test series Y391S. So if you want to join the session, if you want to take this batch, because this batch we will bring the questions in the English way, in the English form. Okay. So that's why the English medium student can also take this session. So you have to open this one. Click on all courses. This is the JAIIB CAIIB. Click on English medium. In English medium, these are the batches. These are the batches in the English medium. Okay. And if you click on the JAIIB CAIIB bilingual, then in the bilingual, it's the batch. 3000 MCQ plus previous year plus case studies questions also. Plus even in this batch, the recorded video sessions are there for the concept clarity. The test series are there. It means no need to refer any other thing. So click on view offer and then put the coupon code, that is Y391. Okay, what's the coupon code? It's a Y391 and click on apply. You can see the discount is up to 80%. And for 1% more discount, just purchase the batch through the mobile. So through the mobile, you can get more discount in this batch. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. We will meet you tomorrow with some more important information. Thank you so much.